Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the background on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization settings, select Background. Here in Background settings, you can choose to use a picture, solid color, slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. If you want to use a picture, you can use a default one or click Browse Photos to use one of your own. If you want a slideshow, you can select the folder that contains the images you want to use, and choose how often to change the picture. You can also choose to shuffle the picture order. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.